But today I am unboxing my tablet that I ordered online from Huawei. Black Friday special, which because apparently specials are October. It was like cheaper than this one. But anyway, because I'm not choosers, I need it for school. So yeah, ooh, nostalgia. I've been opening up boxes and now me doing this is like trauma because we are moving through so many boxes. It's but what's happening here? Is this how they protect fragile things? Where's the bubble wrap? Ooh, okay. Oh, it's so cold. And it has fingerprints. Vaseline. And they're gone. So I could easily fingerprint this person because they have all their 4 fingers. Where's the thumb? The thumb! Okay, no, sorry. I finally got it! Oh my god. Guys, I got my tabby and the pen. Oh, I nearly dropped it. And the pen, which was a free gift, but I know it's not free because I paid for it when I paid for this tablet. But anyway, invoice, sharp. Let's unbox. This is why I don't do unboxing videos, because what am I doing? You send out. Okay, no, there's no need. Should you come closer? Should I go closer? Okay. I have a tabby. Why is it so good? Did they put this thing in the fridge? Like it's cold. Dead cold. Like cold. What did they do to my tablet? No, there's no ice. I think they put it in the fridge overnight or something, or a cooler. Cause what? It's like ice cold. Okay, the charger head. Even have a pin because I ordered the one that has a SIM card. Cause that one was the only one. It goes on pen. And then I got the charger. What is it? C-type. Everything is C-type these days. And the pen. Is that it? Yeah, they didn't give me a cover. It's just the tabby. It's so light and cold, but light. Ooh. Guys, the way this thing is cold is very concerning. Will it even switch on because it's so cold? Oh. Now I have a Huawei tablet and a Huawei laptop. I'm a brand ambassador. Sing for us, Wena. Batung. Okay, I even got the screen protector for you, so let me stop touching you with my sticky fingers and get you wiped up for that screen protector because before I get started, let me open up the pen. Let's see what the pen has to offer. Marmalade. Come on. The way I'm so tempted to use my teeth. Oh, French Schmancy. Zilelika Patriot. Made in China, Mercury, and Kong. I don't know what that other element is. It's also cold. Yeah, they put this thing in the fridge. And then how do I open it? Oh. Why? Oh. Why? Sure. Infinite space, yeah, no. Okay. Like, okay, but how do I drop this in? Backwards, forward?
Just drop it in.
Hi, wait, I keep it.
You will get it back out.
And then it's whack. There's a lot of things stuck on everything, you know? Okay, here we have our pen. Here we have our Tabby. Does it have an on button? Did I put it on right? Let me see. Yes, I put it on. It's supposed to be like this. We have come to the point where we use digital pens. Oh my gosh. It works! It works! Does it have touch sensitivity? It does! Okay, but every time I need something, I get employment and then I get mukholo and then I work and just do this and then I can leave. Cause yes, no SIM card. I said no SIM card because I don't need the SIM card. Yeah, I can leave because Vela I don't need to stay, no? This password. Okay, it's on my phone. But anyway, you guys saw Jorel and the pen works. So now what I'm waiting for is the cover. And then let me see, should I put on the screen protector? Let's put on the screen protector. And then the only thing we'll be waiting for is the cover. I bought this screen protector last week and I wanted to buy the cover early. I did. I bought the cover early. And then cover thing, this guy had the audacity to look at me funny when I said I don't have the tablet yet. I don't know, is he shocked that I have the balls to buy the accessories before the thing or what? But okay, if you can. So nah, it's so nice. Okay, wet wipe and then is this the dry wipe? Dust absorber.
Have you watched enough tutorials?
Guide stick. No, doesn't it have a manual? Just has a card that says thank you. I need instructions. I need clear instructions, not a thank you. Okay, so the guide stick. Okay. Oof. My friend, I'll never take it for granted. Does this thing have dust? Yes, it does. Use to clean the dust on the screen. Okay. We're doing this together. Massage. Patience. Okay, we got that out. Wet wipe. I've watched my friends do this enough to know that this is the fun part. Dry wipe. It's like I'm performing a surgery. Back. What do you mean? This sticker helps to remove the guide mask from the screen. Please peel off the mask with this sticker. What mask? What's happening? Whoa. Guys, is this the front or the back? Look, what's the back? Is this the back? Does it go like this?
I think the sticky part was too.
I don't know what's sticky. Nah. I'm laying it down.
You have to peel it off.
Peel what off? Oh no. It's
Besides,